It's a common belief that growing older inevitably means growing weaker. We accept a gradual slowing down, a loss of strength, and a feeling that our bodies just aren't what they used to be. But what if we told you that this decline isn't nearly as inevitable as it seems? While it's true that our bodies change with time, the power to maintain our strength, vitality, and independence remains largely in our own hands, specifically on our own plates. The secret lies not in complex formulas or expensive supplements, but in the everyday power of food. In this video, we will guide you through incredible superfoods that can actively help reverse muscle loss. These are not strange or hard to find items, but nutritional powerhouses that work with your body to rebuild, repair, and renew your strength. Before we continue, we want to say how much we love seeing this community grow. If you find this information valuable, please help us reach more people by liking and sharing it with your friends. We'd also love to get to know you. Tell us where you're tuning in from and how old you are in the comments. We're here and actively replying. Now, let's move on to the first superfood that helps reverse muscle loss in seniors. When it comes to building and maintaining muscle, eggs are truly in a league of their own. The reason for this high praise lies in the incredible quality of the protein found within the humble egg. Protein is made of smaller parts called amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks your body uses to repair worn-out muscle fibers and construct new ones. Not all proteins are created equal. Some are missing certain building blocks, making them less effective. The protein in eggs, however, contains all of these essential building blocks in just the right pattern that our bodies can use with maximum efficiency. It's a complete, ready-to-use construction kit for your muscles. Eating eggs provides your body with the direct raw materials it needs to counteract the daily wear and tear that can lead to muscle loss, making them one of the most straightforward and powerful foods you can eat for strength. But the benefits of eggs don't stop at their perfect protein. They are also one of the very few food sources that are naturally rich in vitamin D. This vitamin is often called the sunshine vitamin, but for many seniors, getting enough from sunlight alone can be a challenge. Vitamin D plays a critical role in muscle health. It helps your muscles absorb and use other important nutrients, and it is directly involved in the process of muscle contraction and strength. A lack of vitamin D can lead to feelings of weakness, fatigue, and can accelerate muscle loss. By including eggs in your diet, you are not only supplying top-tier building blocks, but also providing a key that helps your muscles use those blocks effectively. It's a two-pronged attack against weakness that is both simple and delicious. In the world of grains, quinoa stands apart as a unique and powerful superfood. Often mistaken for a grain, it is actually a seed, and it possesses a nutritional profile that is nothing short of remarkable for muscle health. Its most celebrated feature is that it is one of the very few plant foods that is a complete protein. This means that, all on its own, quinoa contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that your body cannot produce and must get from food. This places it in the same elite category as eggs, milk, and meat when it comes to protein quality. For seniors, especially those who are reducing their meat intake or following a vegetarian diet, quinoa is an invaluable resource. It provides a direct, efficient, and plant-based stream of the fundamental building blocks required to repair muscle tissue and prevent the slow creep of muscle loss, making it a true cornerstone of a strength-preserving diet. Beyond its stellar protein, quinoa is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates. Just like with lentils, these carbs are broken down slowly by your body, providing a reliable and long-lasting source of energy. This is the kind of fuel your muscles crave for endurance. Whether you're spending an afternoon gardening, taking a long walk with friends, or going about your daily chores, your muscles need a constant supply of glucose to keep contracting and moving you through your day. The The steady energy from quinoa prevents the peaks and valleys that come with eating refined sugars, ensuring that your muscles are never left without power. This consistent energy supply is vital because it stops your body from looking for alternative fuel sources, like breaking down your precious muscle protein during periods of activity. By eating quinoa, you are essentially filling your body's gas tank with high-quality premium fuel that burns cleanly and steadily. Almonds are often thought of as a simple snack, but they are, in fact, a concentrated source of nutrition that offers specific and powerful benefits for muscle recovery and protection. While they do contain a decent amount of plant-based protein, one of their standout features for muscle health is their high content of vitamin E. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant. To understand what that means for your muscles, imagine what happens when you use a tool. It creates little sparks and wear inside your body. When you exercise or are physically active, a similar process creates something called oxidative stress, which can damage muscle cells. Vitamin E acts as a protective shield, swooping in to neutralize this damage. This helps your muscle tissues recover more quickly and effectively after activity, reducing soreness and ensuring that the repair process can happen smoothly, leading to stronger muscles over time. In addition to vitamin E, almonds are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats serve multiple purposes in supporting muscle mass. First, they are a dense source of calories, providing sustained energy that helps fuel your daily activities. This, much like the slow-burning carbs in lentils and quinoa, helps ensure that your body doesn't need to turn to muscle tissue for energy. Second, these fats are crucial for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin D and vitamin E itself. Without adequate healthy fat in your diet, you might not be fully benefiting from these vitamins, even if you are consuming them. The fat in almonds helps ensure that the protective vitamin E you're eating can actually be used by your body. Furthermore, the combination of protein, fiber, and fat in almonds makes them an exceptionally satisfying snack that keeps hunger at bay for a long time. Building and maintaining muscle isn't just about protein, it's also about energy. This is where sweet potatoes truly shine. These vibrant root vegetables are an outstanding source of complex carbohydrates. The body breaks these carbs down into glucose, which is the primary fuel that your muscles use to contract and move. Without an adequate supply of this fuel, your workouts, walks, and daily physical tasks become much more difficult. Even more importantly, if your body is starved for energy, it may start to break down protein from your muscles to convert into glucose, a process that directly undermines your goal of preserving muscle mass. The complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes provide a slow, steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, acting like a time-release energy pill that keeps your muscles powered up and protected during all your activities. What makes the energy from sweet potatoes superior to that from white bread or pasta is its source. The carbohydrates in sweet potatoes are packed inside a fibrous matrix, along with a host of other vitamins and minerals. This fiber slows down the digestion process, preventing the sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar that you get from refined carbohydrates. Stable blood sugar levels mean stable energy levels. You'll avoid that mid-afternoon slump and have the consistent vitality you need to stay active throughout the day. This sustained energy is crucial for making the most of your strength training or walking routine. When you have good energy, you can walk a little farther, do one more repetition, or put more effort into your movement, which in turn provides a stronger stimulus for your muscles to grow and strengthen. Sweet potatoes are also a phenomenal source of beta-carotene, which gives them their beautiful orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vitamin that plays a key role in cell growth and repair, including muscle cells. It also supports a healthy immune system, which is vital because getting sick can lead to inactivity and muscle loss. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach, but the real-life benefits for your muscles are even more impressive than the cartoon let on. While spinach does contain some iron and plant-based protein, one of its most exciting muscle-strengthening properties comes from its high concentration of natural compounds called nitrates. When you eat spinach, these nitrates are converted in your body into a substance called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a master key that unlocks and widens your blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, improves blood flow throughout your entire body. For your muscles, this is a game changer. Better blood flow means that more oxygen and more nutrients, like the amino acids from the protein you've eaten, are efficiently delivered directly to your muscle cells. It also means that waste products are carried away more effectively. This enhanced circulation has two major impacts on muscle health. First, it significantly improves muscle performance. With more oxygen available, your muscles can work harder and longer before they get tired. You might find that you have more stamina during your daily walk, or that you can complete your household tasks with less fatigue. Second, improved nutrient delivery accelerates muscle recovery. After exercise, your muscles are hungry for the building blocks they need to repair themselves. The nitric oxide from spinach acts like an express delivery service, ensuring those building blocks arrive quickly and in greater quantities. This means less muscle soreness and a faster return to your activities. You can think of spinach as optimizing the entire muscle support system, making everything else you do for your strength more effective. Tofu, made from condensed soy milk, is a cornerstone of many Asian cuisines and a fantastic food for muscle health, especially for those following a plant-based diet. Its most straightforward benefit is its high-quality protein content. Tofu is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. This places it in the same category as animal-based proteins like eggs, chicken, and beef in terms of its fundamental ability to support muscle mass. For seniors who are cutting back on meat for health or personal reasons, tofu provides an excellent and versatile alternative that can directly supply the building blocks necessary to combat muscle loss. A serving of firm tofu can contain a significant amount of protein, making it a centerpiece of a muscle-healthy meal. What makes tofu particularly interesting, however, is its content of unique plant compounds called isoflavones. Think of these as natural protective substances found in soybeans. Research suggests that these isoflavones may have a special role in protecting against muscle wasting. They appear to interact with certain pathways in the body that regulate muscle growth and breakdown, potentially helping to slow down the processes that lead to muscle loss. While the science is still evolving, it points to tofu offering more than just basic nutrition. It may provide a specific defensive shield for your muscle tissue. This dual action, providing raw building material and potentially protecting against breakdown, makes tofu an exceptionally valuable food for preserving strength in later years. Milk is a classic, time-tested food for good reason. It's a nutritional powerhouse designed by nature to support growth and maintenance. For seniors focused on muscle health, its value is immense. One of milk's key strengths is that it provides a natural blend of 2 different types of high-quality protein, whey and casein. Whey protein is known for its fast digestion. It quickly floods your bloodstream with amino acids, making it ideal for providing immediate support to muscles after they have been stressed by exercise or activity. Casein protein, as we learned with cottage cheese, is slow digesting, providing a steady trickle of amino acids over a longer period. Milk gives you the best of both worlds: a rapid repair response followed by sustained nourishment. This makes a glass of milk after a walk or some lightweight training an excellent recovery strategy. This powerful protein combination is complemented by other essential nutrients in milk. It is famously rich in calcium, which is crucial for strong bones. This is critically important because strong muscles need a solid skeletal framework to pull against weak bones, can lead to fractures and a loss of mobility, which in turn accelerates muscle loss. By drinking milk, you are supporting the health of both your muscular and skeletal systems simultaneously, creating a strong foundation for an active body. Milk is also often fortified with vitamin D, which, as we saw with eggs, is essential for muscle function and helps your body use calcium effectively. This synergy between the protein, calcium, and vitamin D in milk makes it a comprehensive beverage for overall physical resilience. Edamame, which are young, green soybeans, are often enjoyed as a tasty appetizer at sushi restaurants, but their health benefits make them worthy of a starring role on your plate. Like their relative tofu, edamame is a complete plant-based protein. This means that a bowl of these vibrant green pods provides your body with the full set of essential amino acids required for muscle maintenance and repair. They are a whole food, meaning you are getting the protein along with all the other beneficial fiber and nutrients that come packaged together in the bean snacking on edamame, or adding them to salads and stir-fries is an easy and delicious way to give your muscles a direct infusion of high-quality building blocks, helping to keep them strong and resilient against the effects of aging. Beyond their protein, edamame are a rich source of several vitamins and minerals that play a supportive role in overall muscle health. Two standouts are folate, vitamin B9, and vitamin K. Folate is essential for the creation of new cells and for repairing damaged cells throughout the body. This includes the cells that make up your muscle tissue. By supporting healthy cell division and repair, folate ensures that your body's fundamental maintenance processes are running smoothly. Vitamin K is well known for its role in bone health and blood clotting, but research also suggests it is important for muscle function. It appears to be involved in the way your muscles use calcium to contract, and it may also help protect against inflammation. Together, folate and vitamin K work in the background to create a healthy environment where muscles can function properly and repair themselves effectively. The journey to maintaining your strength and reversing muscle loss is not a mysterious or complicated one. It is a path paved with delicious, nutritious, and readily available foods. As we have seen, these superfoods each bring their own unique strength to the table. They work together to provide the raw materials, the protective shields, the efficient fuel, and the recovery support that your muscles need to not just survive, but to thrive.